समझा भी मगर दिल ये माने कहाँ. Hi guys, welcome to Ukeguide. Today's lesson is a song request and we'll be covering the very melodious song Dil Beparvah by Prateek Kuhad. So take out your uke. Now tune your ukulele in standard tune and let's start with the lesson. So guys, to play this song you need 4 chords, and these chords are chord C, chord F, chord G and chord F minor. Now to play chord C you need to place your ring finger on 3rd fret 1st string and chord C will sound like this. To play chord F you need to place your index finger on 1st fret 2nd string and your middle finger on 2nd fret 4th string and chord F will sound like this. To play chord G, you need to place your index finger on 2nd fret 3rd string, your middle finger on 2nd fret 1st string and your ring finger on 3rd fret 2nd string and chord G will sound like this. To play chord F minor, you need to place your index finger on 1st fret 4th string, your middle finger on 1st fret 2nd string and your little finger on 3rd fret 1st string and chord F minor will sound like this. So guys, let's talk about strumming pattern. In this song we are using a common strumming pattern, that is down up, 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 down up. So guys, down up is the basic pattern. However, when we are using this pattern in the song, we are using it in a different way. So for that what you have to do, you have to play a downstroke like this and then you have to play all 3 strokes immediately like this. So when you'll play it together it will sound like, okay, so down, a little delay and then up, down, up. So you will start with chord C and you will play this pattern 2 times there like this, and then you'll move to other chord. So if we go to chord F, then you have to again play this pattern 2 times. Then you go to chord C, then you go to chord G. So that's how you play the first part of this song. So you do the same thing in chorus as well. You play this pattern 2 times on each chord except chord F minor and chord F. Okay, so when you'll reach to the point when you have to play chord F and chord F minor, then you have to play this pattern once. So guys, this song has a very beautiful intro part as well, and that is majorly on guitar, and I have customized it on ukulele. So now I'm gonna teach you that. So for that what you have to do, you have to use 3 chords mostly, and the chords are chord C, chord F and chord G. Okay, so you should be comfortable with the positions of all these 3 chords. So now let me explain you the first part. Now in first part you have to play strings in open position. So you will use string 4, string 3 and string 2. Okay, so you'll play these 3 strings together like this. Now make sure that you should not touch the string 1. Okay, you have to leave it alone, you don't have to touch it. So you just need to play top 3 strings together like this, and then you have to play string 2 and 3 like this. Okay, then you have to add your index finger like this. Okay, you are adding it on 1st fret 2nd string, and then you have to play string 2 in open position like this, and then you go to string 3 and play it again in open position. Okay, so this piece will be played on chord C. So when you'll play it together it will sound like this. So in part 2 we'll be using chord F, so use position of chord F like this. Okay, now you have to strum top 3 strings and then you have to play string 2 and 3. So string 2, then string 3, then string 2, then string 3, and then again string 2. And then you have to play string 2 on 3rd fret with the help of your ring finger, and then you again remove this finger, and then you play string 2 on 1st fret, and then you play it in open position. Okay, so when you play it together, it will sound like. Then again you have to do the same part what we played for chord C. So you will again play it like this. Right? Now you'll go to chord G. So that is part 3. So you hold the position of chord G, and then you have to strum top 3 strings again like this. Okay, you strum it like this once, and then you play string 2 and 3 like this. So 2 3 2 3 2, and then you go to string 1 this time. Okay, this time we need to add string 1, and you play string 1 2 and 3 together. So when you play it all together, it will sound like this. So let's start playing the song. थोड़ी थोड़ी है सबकी सुनी, थोड़ा कुछ तो सबने कहा, थोड़ा थोड़ा समझा भी मगर दिल ये माने कहा। बस इसकी जिद है, दिल बेफिक्र लापता, कैसी ये धुन है, खोकर भी कुछ ना मिला। इस दिल की आदत यही है, गिरकर संभलता नहीं है, जालिम समझता नहीं है न कोई जुबान। ये दिल बेपरवाह, ये दिल बेपरवाह, कतरा कतरा हो गया, दिल ये बिखरता गया। दुनिया गुजरती रही, टुकड़ों पे चलती रही, बस इसकी जिद है, दिल बेफिक्र लापता। कैसी ये दिन है, खोकर भी कुछ ना मिला। इस दिल की आदत यही है, गिरकर संभलता नहीं है, जालिम समझता नहीं है न कोई जुबान। ये दिल बेपरवाह, ये दिल बेपरवाह, ये दिल बेपरवाह। So guys, thanks for watching this lesson. I'm sure you must have liked it. Please subscribe to Ukeguide for more amazing lessons like this, and make sure you follow me on Instagram. So until next time, do take care and bye-bye.